Hello everyone. So today is a good day for us. We have not traded in a real account today just because of I had to take some rest because if I had deposited the capital today also I would have taken wrong trades, which has been a good experience for me for the last couple of years. I know that the mindset doesn't change too fast. It takes time. So this was my first trade. I took this trade in demo account. This was my first trade. I took this trade here somewhere and kept SL on above this candle. Yes, it was immediately showing some loss here. In this section, it tested my patience. Then it gave the target. I booked 50%. Now I'm trying to book 50%, and the other 50 I booked here in this consolidation here somewhere. But actually my second target was this, but I booked here somewhere. This was drawn later. This box, so this is not worthy. Here also one triangle pattern was in making. If you can see in lower time frame, I was watching this trade. No, I was thinking of a short trade, but then I thought that already a move has been given by the market, and now again consolidation and again move, which will be too obvious. And correctly that happened. I was just waiting. If this was a very sharp move, so I don't trust in sharp moves these days. So I waited here. Again, I draw this small box. If it again closed below this, I could have took a short trade, but it didn't, and then I took trade here because it on a 3 minute time frame. On a 1 minute time frame, it was giving a good closing. I can show you on 1 minute time frame, it gave a good closing here. Though my SL was about to hit, but it didn't get hit. Just only by 1 to 2 pips, it was remaining, and then my target got hit here. I exited 50% here and 50% here somewhere. Now I am making some strict rules in my trading journey, and which I have to follow, whether it is a profit or a loss. You know. Then I took this one also. So I thought that the liquidity has been done, but again this was a sharp move, and I failed to stop my mind and took the trade, which was not in my rule because sharp moves in this kind of choppy market. See, you can see the choppiness here, just doesn't justify nicely, and then it immediately hit my SL. Then nothing. Actually, in this trade, this was the opportunity. Again, a big breakout, a good retest type of situation, and a good target, first target, second target. And then I was also seeing GBP CHF, GBP JPY. Sorry. This was a good trade. This was the resistance. It gave a pullback, took some support here, and was making a channel type of situation. This was my resistance. If I could have took this trade here somewhere, here somewhere, a short trade, but it didn't give the closing of any candle in 15-minute time frame and 5 minute time frame. And on the 5 minute time frame, it made the spike. I wasn't that sure in this spike. Again, the spike situation was here, but still I took a small quantity trade here. It gave my profit. It hit my target. I exited here. Again, this was a good setup here also. I could have took trade here also, which is going robust now. You can see this was a good support, and again some consolidation broke here also. Again upwards move. See, here we had two chances to trade. Okay, see this candle, the this red candle. There was no closing above this red candle. This gave the closing. You can just place. This is 5 minutes. Yes, huh? You can just place SL here if you want a short SL. If you want a long SL, you can just here. Yes, this will be a nice SL and target. See, now the time is 7:30. There was a news about the US dollar. There was a speech of Bowman, so it got struck too fast. But we didn't had this trade, so I didn't mark any targets or anything for this one. Okay, there is one, so we can keep this one as my previous. This was my previous resistance, so we can keep. This was my first. This could be my first target. This level somewhere. This high. So this could be a logical trade, but this spike would the spike would have frightened many of the traders, newbie traders, because it is so. sharp that you don't know. It can turn in another 5 minutes. It can turn red also and double in size. And like I can show you in gold right now. See this spike, this spike. This is crazy. Like, but in this spike, you can see the strength on a 3 minute time frame. For this, it's just EMS helps me a lot on a 1 minute time frame because I just trade with EMS for the spikes and it helps me a lot. Now our second target will be also hit. So this trade was actually a good one. Market tests patience here in these zones. See the upper lower lower highs. This was the resistance. Took first time resistance, second time resistance. Even this two candles were also counted as resistance. So small small traders like us do short here, get some small profit. Short here, get some small profit. But the smart money is these two candles. But why? Because they have already waited for this whole zone, like 4 to 5 6 hours almost. They waited for this move. Like me, just like a normal trader, I would have just bought here. Some SL would have hit here and there also. Here also my SL would have hit somewhere, or I could have get some small profit, and then I'm thinking like done for the day. But the real money they came here right now in these two candles. They just wait for their move. That's and here's our second target is also getting hit. I don't know why today all my targets are getting hit and only one SL got hit. Like when I'm trading without money, everything goes. See this one also. I took this trade. This was a really good trade actually. I can say this because yes, yesterday same situation was happened in gold on a 15-minute time frame. Same situation here also. You can see a good fall, a pullback, but doesn't sustain. Made a higher high here, again higher low, again higher high. So the trend, I thought so that the trend is changing. So just waited here. Even this high was broken. And this was a consolidation. All this zone. This was the resistance. This is a trend line coming from way long back. I will show you that. And here also when W pattern was forming, you can see. So I took this trade here with a SL of this candle low. It got my target hit on a smaller time. I like again. I will repeat it. Smart money wins here also. If a new trader like me, this would be the situation. I would have booked here somewhere and could have exited and just said done for the day. But this candle again is a news driven candle but for this pair, actually it is a good one because it was a really big breakout on a trend line. You can see this trend line on hourly time frame. So and see this box consolidation in this type of zone. Yes, so we'll deposit the money. Just wait for some days. Just I'm doing some meditation and all to keep my mind calm. We'll return to the market soon. Thank you.